Without You Murchi movie review, a thrilling mystery, that redefines Ajit Kumar legacy, an unconventional, road thriller with a suspense and twist. Without You Murchi is just not another Ajit Kumar film. It's a bold step away from his usual mass action hero persona. Directed by Magesh, Thirumani. Okay, this slow burn thriller takes the audience on an intense and unpredictable journey through loss, love, and dangerous game of survival. The premise, a road trip, that turns into a nightmare, set against the striking landscape of Baku. Here, Azerbaijan, Without You Murchi, right, follows Arjun here, a soft-spoken and composed businessman, and his wife Kayal, that we call Trisha, who feels the weight of their monotonous 12-year marriage. Tragedy strikes when Kayal suffers a miscarriage, widening the emotional distance between them. Even when Kayal has an affair, Arjun remains eerily calm. His restraint almost unsettling here. Deciding to part ways, Kayal requests one final trip together to her parents' home in Tbilisi, but what starts as a nostalgic journey soon spirals into a chilling mystery. A near accident with a mysterious gangster, Michael, that we call Arif here, seems like a minor setback until Kayal suddenly vanishes without a trace. So with no clues, no allies, and no time running out, Arjun embarks on a desperate quest to find her. As he digs deeper, the truth becomes more disturbing than he ever imagined. A suspenseful and slow-burning thriller. While Without You Murchi, inspired by the 1997 Hollywood film Breakdown, it carves its own identity with strong emotional undercurrents. The film's first half leans heavily into the couple's strained relationship, progressing at an unusual slow pace. While this builds a realistic emotional depth, it also stretches the narrative, making it feel longer than necessary. However, just when the audience settles into the melancholic drama, the film shifts gears dramatically at the interval, plunging into a gripping thriller filled with nail-biting tension here, right? Ajit Kumar delivers one of his most underplayed and powerful performance as the ordinary man caught in an extraordinary crisis. He breaks free from his larger-than-life image, proving his versatility. The transition from a calm, collected husband to a frantic, desperate man, here searching for his wife, is executed masterfully. Strength and shortcomings here, hype-worthy suspense and mystery. The second half turns into a high-stakes chase, right? With each clue leading Arjun deeper into a twist wave of deception. The tension is palpable, and the mystery keeps audience engaged. Visually stunning cinematography. On Prakash cinematography elevates the film with breathtaking aerial shots and immersive visuals, adding to the area's isolating atmosphere. Here, Ajit Kumar transformation. His layered performance makes Arjun a compelling character, from his heartbreak to his relentless pursuit of the truth. Pacing issues in the first half. The prolonged marital drama slows the momentum, leaving audience craving more action and intrigue earlier in the film. Lack of unpredictable twist, while engaging some plot points feels predictable here, and a few more shocking revelations could have made the mystery more gripping. So okay. Underwhelming background score. Anirudh's BGM, usually electrifying, lacks the intensity needed to heighten the suspense and making some crucial moments feel less impactful. Final verdict here, of bold, offbeat thriller that redefines Ajit's filmography. Okay, Without You Murchi dares to be different, trading mass action for psychological tension, mystery, and raw emotions. While its slow burn approach may taste patient, the film rewards reviews with a thrilling second half, stunning visuals, and Ajit Kumar's career-defining performance. It may not be a flawless thriller, but it's a intriguing and suspenseful ride that leaves you questioning everything till the very end. Rating is 3.5/5, worth watching for Ajit's gripping transformation and mystery that unfolds. So yeah.